Welcome back class 8 students. In the previous video we discussed about the physical properties of metals and non-metals, right, which can be touched, which can be seen by the naked eye without any involvement of other substances, right. But here we will discuss about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. You have learned in 7th class about the chemical change or the chemical reactions, where the two products or more than two reactants react together to form a new compound, है ना, नया बनाते हैं. ठीक है. See, here we will discuss some of the chemical reactions of metals and non-metals. That is, metals and non-metals react with different elements to form different products, right. Let's start with the reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen. First we will discuss the reaction of oxygen with metals. Okay. So metals react with oxygen to form metallic oxides. And these metallic oxides are always basic in nature. Acids, bases, you are well aware of that, right? So metals react with oxygen to form metallic oxides. You have seen when your parents get an iron object in your home like a gate, usually paint it. Why do we paint it? Because we know after some time the rust appears on the gate, on the iron object, so we paint it. ठीक है. और वैसे ही हमारे पास कॉपर के जो यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं हम उनको कहते हैं कलाई करना, है ना, गैल्वेनाइजेशन करना. ठीक है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें पता है विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम द कॉपर अटेन्स ग्रीनिश इन कलर. ठीक है. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज एक्चुअली द रिएक्शन ऑफ दीज मेटल्स विद ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. व्हेन ऑक्सीजन इज प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, व्हेन आयरन, जब हम आयरन को ऐसे ही रखते हैं, आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट को ऐसे, जैसे हमारा गेट है आयरन का बना हुआ, अगर हम इसको ऐसे ही रखेंगे ना, कुछ दिनों बाद इस पे रस्ट पड़ जाता है. सेम इज द केस विद द कॉपर. ऑल द मेटल्स दे शो रिएक्शन विद द ऑक्सीजन. असल में क्या हो जाता है, दे रिएक्ट विद द ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. ठीक है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू प्रिवेंट दैट वी पेंट our gates, our iron objects, right? So let's see. Metals react with oxygen to form metallic oxides, and these oxides are basic in nature. They are basic in nature. Acids and bases, we are well aware of that. So we can write simply as metals when react with oxygen gives metal oxides. And here are some of the examples. See, magnesium is my metal, and when it reacts with oxygen it forms magnesium oxide, that is metallic oxide, metal oxide. That's why I wrote metals, that is magnesium, oxygen, O2 gives metal oxide, that is magnesium oxide. ठीक है. Similarly, iron reacts with oxygen in presence of some moisture, water vapors, gives iron oxide. There are some water vapors associated with it, crystallization, but we'll ignore that. We'll simply remember iron plus oxygen plus water gives iron oxide, and this iron oxide we call it a rust, and it is brown in color, and you are well aware of that. Similarly, copper reacts with oxygen in presence of carbon dioxide and water vapors. It gives copper carbonate, which is green in color. ठीक है. दैट इज ऑल्सो रस्ट, इनको करोजन कह सकते हैं, टार्निशिंग हो जाती है. सिमिलरली नॉन मेटल्स रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन टू फॉर्म ऑक्साइड्स, नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड्स. जिस तरह बिल्कुल like metals react with oxygen, same is the case with non-metals. Non-metals also react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides, and these oxides are acidic in nature. These oxides are acidic in nature. We know with the help of litmus papers we can easily check the acidic and basic nature. Okay, so we can write simply as non-metals plus oxygen gives non-metal oxides, and one of the non-metal we know is famous, our carbon, a paper, right, made up of carbon. When it reacts with oxygen, but mind it, while making it react with oxygen हमें कार्बन को, उस पेपर को जलाना होता है, इग्निशन देना होता है. ठीक है. जलाना होता है. ठीक है. Only then it reacts, and it reacts vibrantly, तेज. So carbon reacts with oxygen gives carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide. Similarly, sulfur is a non-metal. It reacts with oxygen, gives sulfur dioxide, SO2, right? So carbon reacts with oxygen, gives carbon dioxide. Sulfur reacts. Similarly, the number of non-metals, they react with oxygen, giving their corresponding non-metallic oxides. Okay, let's recapitulate it once more time. Metals react with oxygen to form metallic oxides. We have number of metals magnesium, aluminum, copper, zinc, they all react with oxygen. But the reaction depends upon the series that is known as activity series, and hopefully you will learn it higher classes, this activity series. ठीक है, कौन जल्दी से ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा, ठीक है, एक इसकी सीरीज बनी हुई होती, and you will learn it in higher classes. ठीक है. So similarly, non-metals, they also form non-metallic oxides, and these non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature, and we have so many examples. You can try number of examples by yourself. ठीक है. Till then, stay safe.